On year 1961, the Black & Decker was introduced the first cordless drill, until other company was made cordless tools on similar principles with different purposes, like a battery-powered impact wrench that we found also in the market today. This battery-powered impact wrench is commonly used on many industries like automotive repairs, construction projects, heavy equipment's maintenance, and other activities that needs to loosening or tightening any bolts with nuts. We buy this impact wrench set on the box. Inside this box was contain a user manual with safety procedure of operation, 2 pieces lithium-ion battery, 1 piece chuck drill bit holder, chuck key, 6 pieces long socket wrench with different sizes, locking pin, 2 rubber for locking pin stopper, 2 pieces chuck adapter, and impact wrench. We connect now the chuck adapter into the chuck drill bit holder. Then, we connect the battery on the impact wrench and test the operation. This impact wrench is equipped with selector switch on the side, for changing a rotation on any direction. Have also a LED light that will energize during operation. This impact wrench can be used also for drilling a hole. We just only install the drill chuck in the impact head and connect the desired drill bit for making a hole. Just remove easily the chuck with drill, if you wish to replace a desired size of socket wrench, when you like to loosen or tighten the bolts and nuts. Remember that this battery impact drill is a type of power tools that gives an extra force with internal hammering for loosening or tightening the bolts, lug nuts, and any frozen fastener. It has a speed advantage and precise impact that measured in Nm, or Newton meters. This battery impact wrench is portable that can carry easily even on car, which is being used during tire replacement. The only disadvantage is always need to charge the battery, if the battery is low power that we can use again after fully charge. The impact wrench have plenty types according to power driven, like pneumatic impact wrench that powered by air compressor, battery impact wrench that powered by battery pack, electric impact wrench that powered by local electricity on power cord connection, and hydraulic impact wrench that powered by hydraulic oil pump. There are few tips on how to choose the impact wrench. 1. Search the higher torque of impact wrench for more extra twisting force. 2. Always choose the impact wrench with hog ring for more torque efficiency. 3. Choose also the impact wrench with brushless motor for better performance and longer running time of operation without any motor maintenance. 4. Choose the impact wrench that have a multiple torque selection for better application on different size of bolts and nuts based on specified torque requirements. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in.